So as you know, Apple already released iOS 26.1, and it has an unique feature that many people asked. If you don't like this liquid glass thing, some people find it so hard for readability, you can actually disable it now. All you have to do is go to settings, and here for display and brightness, here you can find a new option. This is liquid glass. If we select this as tinted, the whole liquid classified things will be much more less, so you won't find any struggle like you see in these notifications. You won't find any struggle to read this. But like me, if you prefer the clear liquid glass look, just simply use the default one. This is clear, and as you can see, it is actually liquid glassy look. So many people has already complained about liquid glass. You guys are welcome to use it if you find to struggle with readability. This is really a welcome chance. So yeah, iOS is changing. Thank you guys for watching it. Like and subscribe. Peace out.